Hello guys, today I bought my new Casio watch. Let's unbox it together. So we gotta unwrap it now. Let's unwrap. Okay. So this is my new Casio watch. I got it today. And let's unbox it now. And this is adorable, so I can swim in it, I can have a shower without it breaking. And it could stay 10 years without changing, it could stay 10 years without charging it. So every 10 years I gotta get a new battery for it. And I can go 50 meters under the water, no problem. And here there's a button. Press it, that makes light. And that's the end. Goodbye, guys.